Hi friends, welcome back to my homeschooling. Myself Rajita. Today let's learn how to teach planet for preschoolers and also kids who are learning newly. Let me ask you a question. How many planets are there in solar system? We have 9? No, the answer is wrong. The answer is 8 planets. Pluto is removed from the planetary list. At the end of this video, I'll tell you the reason why Pluto is not a planet. So watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let's learn how to teach kids to memorize planet in a fun way with many activities I'll be showing you. Let's get into the first activity. In this activity, I'll be teaching you how to teach your children to say the planets in order in a very easy way. So this is our first activity. You can keep your child's little finger and fold one by one in this order, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So when you keep on repeating this activity through fingers, they'll start learning it in a very easy way. This is the first method which I am showing you now. So let's get into the second method. This is our second method. Like we all have studied this in our school. Like my very excited mother just served us noodles. The first letters represents the name of the planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So when we know this thing, it automatically comes in a sequence way. The kids will be able to memorize. Now let's get into other activities, how to see the images and how they'll form in a sequence. So the next get into the third activity. So this is our third activity. This is a puzzle activity. Even the kids, if they know 1, 2, 3, they'll be able to do this activity. So I'll show you how. First we need to keep the number 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In this way, when we teach, they'll remember in the pictorial way. Already they know to do in fingers and also in the format which I showed you. So when they know that, they'll be already be able to remember in the pictorial way. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. So let's get into the next activity. That is third activity. Sorry, that is fourth activity. So in this, the child will be counting how many number of planets are there. The first one is sun. So they'll count how many counting they'll be learning in this also. As they're preschoolers, they can also learn countings. So that is 1, 2. 2 suns are there. They can write number 2 here. Then coming to Mercury. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mercuries are there. So this way they'll be able to do this activity. So now, so next, let's get into the fifth activity. So this is our fifth activity. Here we'll learn word search in that format. So they need to search the words, that is Jupiter. They need to circle. Then Earth and so on. So all the planets, they'll be doing the word search format. So this is our fifth activity. And now for kids, we need to teach basic information, that is a single line or 2-line information about each planet. So I'll be explaining you that how to teach for your kids. So let's get into that. Don't forget to watch the video till end, because we'll also be learning why the Pluto was removed from the planetary list. Okay, so stay tuned. First, let's learn about all the 8 planets, one or two information which we can teach for our preschoolers. Sun is the center of the solar system, and here are the 8 planets from the Sun. So let's see the order once again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These lines are the orbits of the planet, and all the 8 planets revolve around the Sun in the orbit. Now let's learn about Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and closest to the Sun. And it is extremely hot during the daytime and extremely cold during the night time. Now let's see the largest planet of the solar system, that is Jupiter. It has more than 50 moons. Now we have seen the smallest and the largest planet. Now let's see the brightest planet in the solar system, that is Venus. Venus also has a nickname. It is called morning and evening star. We have learnt Mercury now. Now let's see the farthest planet from the Sun. Mercury is the nearest planet and farthest planet is Neptune. So Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. As it is the farthest planet from the Sun, so the cold wind blow here are a very high speed, hence it is also called as windiest planet. Now let's see our own planet, that is Mother Earth. It has 70% of water, that is in the blue color, no? That is 70% of water, and it is the only planet in the entire solar system where the life is found. Now let's move on to the fourth planet, that is Mars. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. It is also called as the red planet because it has red soil and red rocks. Do you know which planet is called ice giant planet? That is Uranus. Uranus is called the ice giant planet. We have seen Jupiter is the largest planet. Now let's see the second largest planet, that is Saturn. It has a beautiful ring around it. Now we have seen all the 8 planets in the solar system. Now let's repeat along once more so that you will be able to revise again. Sun is the center of the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet and it is the closest planet to the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet in the solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system and it also has a nickname, that is morning and evening star. Mars is called as red planet. Uranus is the ice giant planet in the solar system, and Earth is our own planet where we live. Now all of you got to know at least one or two information about all the planets in the solar system. Now let's see the interesting fact which some people may not know, why Pluto was removed from the planetary list. We have learned 9 planets in this solar system during our school days. But now it's only 8 planets in the solar system. Pluto is delisted. Until 2006, all schools had taught 9 planets in solar system. So we saw all those planet names also, 8 planets names. In August 2006, scientists said there are only 8 planets according to IAU. For a celestial body to be a planet, it needs to be reaching 3 criteria. So let's see what are those 3 criteria. Criteria number 1 is the object should revolve around the Sun. Second, the object should be spherical in shape. And the third criteria is the area around its orbit should be clear and should not have any equipments or a bigger celestial body. So now you would be thinking the Pluto was revolving around the sun and it was a spherical in shape. So yes, you are right. But the Pluto did not reach the third criteria. Hence, the Pluto was removed from the planetary list. Hope this video was informative. So let's see many activities and games in our next upcoming videos on solar system. In that, even adult kids will be able to play this solar system games. Even your young kids will be able to play solar system game. It can be a family time game. So all those will be watching in our upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Happy learning.